Sea Moss is the boss, and I made some sea moss cheddar cheese. Woo! Wait till you taste it. Yes. Okay, let's get started. Today we'll be using 3/4 cups of prepared sea moss, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1/3 cup of nutritional yeast, and 1 3.5 ounce of full fat coconut cream. In a medium heated pan, we'll add 1.5 tablespoons of avocado oil or grapeseed oil. Next, we'll begin flavoring the oil by adding the garlic and smoked paprika and stirring in until well combined. Then we'll add the coconut cream and making sure that it is well incorporated by stirring. Stir often so that the mixture doesn't stick to the pan or burn. And next we'll add the nutritional yeast, followed by the yellow mustard, the pink salt, and finally the prepared Irish sea moss. Be sure to stir frequently so that there are no lumps and you have a smooth, rich, creamy cheese. At this point, you'll be adding your arrowroot slurry simply by adding to the mixture and stirring until well incorporated. The mixture will thicken within a few minutes, so be patient. And it'll also continue thickening as it cools once you remove it from the heat. And there you have it, a wonderful, rich, creamy sea moss cheese, which you can store in the refrigerator up to 2 weeks. If you want more recipes like the one you just saw, please visit my website. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.